Imagine cruising down the open road, the landscape shifting, the horizon constantly changing, all while ensconced in the epitome of luxury. It's not a scene from a sci-fi film, but the reality of modern motorhomes. With the following 10 motorhomes, a beautiful marriage of technological marvel and indulgence, you can truly experience the freedom of the open road without leaving behind the comforts of an opulent abode. Kicking things off, we have the Furrion Elysium, which is more than just a luxury recreational vehicle. It's a testament to opulence on wheels. One of its standout features is the sky deck, positioned majestically atop the RV. But this isn't just any deck. It's a combination of a helipad and an upscale entertainment space, providing an immersive panoramic experience of your surroundings. Picture yourself relaxing in a hot tub, sipping on a drink from a fully fledged bar, all while being elevated above the landscape. Stretching approximately 45 feet, the interior doesn't skimp on luxury either. It boasts a sprawling living area, furnished with a state-of-the-art kitchen, plush leather sofas, and a widescreen television, turning road trips into a lavish experience. And to add a cherry on top, it comes integrated with a cutting-edge home automation system, putting control of various functionalities like lighting, climate, and entertainment right at your fingertips through a dedicated mobile application. Experience the future with THOR Industries' cutting-edge concept. An electric camper van tailored for nature enthusiasts, one of its strongest selling points. An unmatched range, enabling it to cover as much as 300 miles without recharging. Constructed on THOR's unique platform, the eStream highlights a potent electric drivetrain. This technology doesn't only power the trailer, but also aids in decreasing the towing vehicle's energy use. If that wasn't impressive enough, this drivetrain can autonomously park the RV. Proclaimed to be the most versatile electric recreational concept vehicle, the interior doesn't disappoint. With a well-furnished kitchen, a cozy bed, and a compact room. It's luxury on wheels, however, its release date remains a mystery. At number 3, we introduce the HYMER VisionVenture, an avant-garde motorhome conceived by the reputable HYMER, a renowned name in the world of RVs and campers. Built upon a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter framework, it comes with a hybrid all-wheel drive system to enhance its off-road prowess. The inner sanctuary of VisionVenture is spacious and oozes luxury. The focus remains on the incorporation of organic materials, ensuring a homely aura besides a well-equipped kitchen, a dining nook, and a restful sleep zone. The design emphasizes space optimization for an unmatched living experience. This motorhome also stands out for its eco-friendly features. Lightweight building materials to boost fuel efficiency, solar panels for green energy, and a heat conservation system to cut down energy use. At first glance, the Starliner SL-5 seems like a compact wonder, but the interiors tell a different story, despite its seemingly modest size. It manages to pack in premium features, including dual queen-size beds and a garage for a car. The extended version, the SL-5 RG Executive, offers even more space, measuring a staggering 31.1 feet from end to end. The interior offers for comfortable sleeping places, a fully equipped bathroom, a kitchen, and a space to relax or dine. The finishes are pure luxury, from trimmings to display cabinets for the finest of crystals. Next, the RC12M is not just another motorhome, it's a masterpiece. Crafted with meticulous precision, this motorhome stands out as an embodiment of luxury on wheels. It's a testament to the brilliance of modern design, fused with the warmth of traditional craftsmanship. The exterior boasts seamless, uncluttered lines that exude class and elegance, setting it apart in any caravan park or open road. Inside, the RC12M revolutionizes space utilization in motorhomes. With its expansive slide-outs, every area from the lounge to the master suite feels more like a palatial suite than a mobile living space. The experience inside is more comparable to staying in a luxury apartment with ceilings high enough to give a sense of grandeur. But wait, there's more to it. One of the most spectacular features of the RC12M is its vast rear garage. Not only can it accommodate your everyday items, but its design and size can safely store a sports car. This is a dream come true for car enthusiasts who want to carry their luxury cars with them on their travels, ensuring they always have their favorite ride wherever they go. At number 6, the Furrion Bespoke projects deliver a unique tailor-made travel experience, encapsulating the essence of personalized luxury. Their Maverick Vinales MV12 stands out as a 2-story mobile apartment, boasting a generously spaced lounge, dual bedrooms, and top-tier entertainment. The state-of-the-art kitchen is a haven for those with culinary inclinations, equipped with all essentials. Adding a touch of opulence is the luxurious bathroom that houses a jacuzzi tub and a commodious shower. From lavish bunk beds to intricately crafted interiors, Furrion Bespoke ensures its travelers experience indulgence every step of the way. Moving further, the Dembell Motorhome, often mistakenly referred to as Dembell or Dembell, redefines luxury in the realm of motorhomes. Its design ethos mirrors the elegance of a deluxe yacht, evident both inside and out. With dimensions of 12 meters in length to 0.5 meters in width, and a height of 4 meters, its interiors mirror half its height. The Dembell features a petite garage at the rear, and 2 expanding sections for the kitchen and bedroom. The interior comfortably accommodates for people, providing storage and every amenity you'd expect for an extended, enjoyable vacation. The cockpit seats, clad in pristine white leather, come with heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities. The state-of-the-art kitchen boasts premium Miele appliances, and the showcased model, tailored to perfection, comes with a price tag of $1.25 million. Designed by the Austrian firm Marchi Mobile, the EleMMent Palazzo is a unique blend of futurism and luxury, often likened to a spaceship or a premium yacht due to its distinct design. The Palazzo has turned heads and received much acclaim. Aerodynamically designed, it fuses the aesthetics of a top-tier sports car with a yacht. Sizes vary, but it can stretch anywhere from 12 to 20 meters. The interiors are spacious, offering lavish living and entertainment zones. As a symbol of affluence, owning a Palazzo can cost anywhere from several $100,000 to over $1 million based on customizations. Dive into innovation with the STX to pop-outs and garage vehicle. Celebrated for its forward-thinking features and cutting-edge technology, engineered for optimum performance. It showcases aerodynamic designs coupled with efficient engines and groundbreaking safety systems. Designed for adventurous souls, It boasts a spacious living area equipped with a top-notch kitchen, a chic bathroom, and a snug bedroom. The vehicle's pièce de resistance is its built-in garage. Spacious enough for small cars or motorcycles, drawing inspiration from upscale yachts and Nordic design. The interiors exude both warmth and elegance while the use of premium materials, from supple leather to rich woods, elevates the overall atmosphere. And last but not least, we have the Truck Surf Hotel. A rather novel concept, merging the thrill of surfing with mobile accommodations. Essentially a revamped truck turned into a roving hotel. It's crafted exclusively for surfing aficionados and thrill seekers. Thoughtfully designed interiors house several bedrooms, communal spaces, a kitchenette, and even a rooftop terrace. This mobile hotel's selling point is its ability to travel to various surf locales, eliminating the hassle of booking regular hotels or transportation. With seasoned guides at the helm, guests can explore hidden surf spots and breathtaking coastal landscapes. It's evident that luxury isn't simply defined by plush interiors or cutting-edge tech. It's the ability to bring these comforts on any journey, to any destination. These motorhomes redefine travel, proving that adventures don't require sacrifices in style or convenience, but with the open road beckoning, and a home that promises both comfort and luxury. One wonders what destinations are worthy of such an exquisite journey. Where will you let luxury lead you next? Tell us what you think in the comment box below. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this.